Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Neighbors forced to let strangers use private land and backyards after 12-hour legal battle. They insist it hurts homes. Upper-class members of an exclusive lake community are fighting back after a judge demanded they open up their waters to public access. The 12-year-long legal battle between a wealthy community and the general public resulted in a ruling siding with the public, forcing the exclusive town to take down its no trespassing signs on the lake. Lake Oswego, Oregon, residents were up in arms when they were told to open up their private lake to the public. One resident compared the ruling to a socialist government, claiming that you can't live anywhere just because you want to, Oregon Live reported. You cannot live in the governor's mansion just because you want to, and you think it is your right, residents John and Kathy Willis wrote. None of us can live in the White House just because we feel we are entitled to do so because we are taxpayers in this country. When those who work the hardest must give to those who did not make the same commitment, you have socialism. For many years, Lake Oswego was open solely to those who had private docks and magnificent mansions bordering the water. However, over 1 decade ago, the Lake Oswego Corporation was sued for denying the public access to the lake. Since the lake was initially a public place when Oregon was first settled, Judge Kathy Steele ruled in favor of the public. The city is ordered to take steps necessary to provide for reasonably safe public access from the Millennium Park Plaza property within 120 days, Steele said. Proponents of opening the lake argued that everyone should have access to the water, not just those who meet the median income average of $1.2 million. I'm thrilled that the public has finally regained access to this unique and important public resource, Plaintiff Todd Prager told the Oregonian. I hope the public responsibly enjoys their immediate right to access the lake. Prager opened up to local NBC affiliate KGW about the fear he's been living under since the case first began. I had people request I be fired from my job when I was working for another city, Prager said. My wife has gotten intimidation from her work. Lake users are already trying vandalism tactics to ward off the public from wanting to use the water. Portland attorney Matt Kramer said he was kayaking on Lake Oswego when he returned to his vehicle to find the side of the car keyed, KGW reported. On the car's windshield was a note from a witness, claiming that the person who keyed his car was a woman driving a black Range Rover. The culprit has yet to be found, but Prager isn't surprised about the incident. They've been playing to the worst fears of the community, said Prager, and we're just talking about a few kayakers paddling around the lake. Current lake occupants believe that opening up the lake is just an invitation for something bad to happen. As a frequent user of the lake for the past 2 years for paddle boarding and powerboating, I personally know how dangerous it can be to enter the lake without the right knowledge and preparation, wrote resident Neil Potter. It will only be a matter of time before a member of the public is seriously injured or dies in the lake.